All right, we're back for my top 5 mistake countdown, and this is number 3. This is, again, if you don't know, you're just hopping in this series. I'm Jay Morrison, 22-year business veteran, over 24 businesses, millions of dollars in revenue, but I've made some major mistakes along the way. And right now I'm telling you my 3rd top mistake, and that is, well, so many ways to put it. It goes down to reading contracts. It goes down to doing your due diligence. And I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna say doing my due diligence in business. And that mistake for me was, I remember having a lot of money. Business is booming. I'm in the mortgage industry. I'm developing real estate. I'm a realtor. I'm Mr. Real Estate. I mean, I'm in my prime. But someone ran by a business opportunity to me. It looked good on face value. They had all the story. They had a courier service. They wanted me to invest in it. They told me what my ownership would be. I read the operating agreement, and boom, I just invested into the business. It was a 50 grand investment. I had the money. It was no big deal. Getting the 50 grand, it all sounded good, but I didn't do my proper due diligence on protecting my money in the investment. I trusted them to do what they said on the business plan. I had no controls involved over how the money was relinquished or where it went to. I didn't have also any control over the assets. So I was buying the vehicles for the business, the merchandise for the business, but yet I didn't own any of those things. The company owned them, and I was just a shareholder in the company. So what I learned in that whole process, the mistake I made, is that they end up blowing through all the money. The business never got fully off the ground. I never got a return on my investment, but it's all my fault because I really didn't do any proper due diligence or create any kind of controls for my investment. And so that was one of the biggest mistakes I made, was that I invested kind of blindly, like I knew what it was, but I really didn't totally know what it was or have any controls in place to protect my investment. And so I lost out on that deal, but I learned a lot from the transaction, and I learned a lot about courier services and how they worked. It's actually a good business model. I didn't have the right people or partners, and I didn't do my due diligence actually on my partners or their level of execution within the business model. And so that was a flop for me. You know, out of 24 plus businesses, I had a few flops. I ain't gonna lie. That was one of my flops. So that's my 3rd biggest business mistake that I've made. I want you guys to be authentic and transparent and vulnerable with me. Please share with me your biggest business mistakes or what you're going through now, pains you're having that I can help coach you through on our live stream, our special edition of Ask Jay, right? It's a series we do called Ask Jay, where I'll answer questions and kind of train you up and coach you. We're going to do it live on February 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern. In order for me to get your questions, you got to use the hashtag AskJ, that's A-S-K, AskJ, and also hashtag CEO Talk. And I'm going to answer the top 5 questions, or however many questions, I don't even know how many, but I'll be answering and responding to some questions and your concerns on February 1st, kicking off Black History Month at 7 p.m. Eastern. We'll be going live, going through your questions, and me training and lecturing off what you guys are going through. So make sure you let me know. Tag a friend, share this, because I want to know what my young and aspiring CEOs are going through, my entrepreneurs, what you guys are going through, and how I can help lend my expertise. Use the hashtag AskJCEO Talk. I'll see you guys back for our next episode, 4 of 5, mistakes that I've made in business. CEO number 4 tomorrow. Peace.